Do you have a few carpet stains that you need to get out? In this episode, we'll show you how to make your own homemade spot cleaner with some water and vinegar. Let's get to it. Fill your spray bottle with 2 parts water to 1 part distilled white vinegar. Give the bottle a nice shape. Spray the stain and grab a damp towel to place over it. Turn on your iron to the steam setting and run it over the towel for about a minute. Be sure to constantly move the iron so that you won't accidentally burn a hole through the towel. If you have a stubborn stain, repeat until the stain is gone. Be sure to constantly check to make sure your towel is damp. And that's it. That wasn't too hard. How big was your stain? Comment down below. If you have any questions or suggestions for other stains, leave them in the comment section and we'll answer them for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so that you can be updated whenever we have new tips for your apartment living. Thanks for tuning in and we'll catch you in the next video.